Well, in Seattle, Washington, we woke up to this. I don't even know how much. It's got to be like, I don't know, 5 or 6 inches. And it's supposed to snow all day, so I figured I'd try snowboarding down the hill. That way. Headed to the mountain. The snow came to us today. It's been plowed a little, but I might be able to ride down the side. So we make the journey up the hill. Update, I'm about 2 minutes into the walk up the hill and it's really hard and I'm tired, but it's worth it. Riding this one as far as I can home. So we'll see if I can make it to my driveway. I doubt it, but we'll see. for watching. Yo!